What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Christian Shibweze my name, and this is going to be my first video on this channel. Yes, this is a new creator channel. Who am I and what do I do? I'm an upcoming Forex trader. Yes. Although I've been trading for a while now, a year plus now, and right now I'll be documenting my journey here on YouTube on this channel that I just created. So if this is what you want to be part of this journey, kindly subscribe to my channel. Let the subscribers start counting. Let's grow together. Yes. So I'll give you guys a brief, intro of myself and how I started trading forex. So yeah, it all started in the year 2023 when I served a man for business, and at the end, I started serving the man in the year 2019. Then 2023 was supposed to be my settlement year, but he didn't settle me. Yes. He didn't settle me, all because I have other things that I do. Like at night, I'll be searching for what to do online to make money. Yes, at night. And he said he's against that. That's the reason why he didn't settle me that I should go. All to God, no problem. Then I locked in on myself into forex trading. No one taught me how to trade. I actually did that myself. Yes. It has never been easy. It has never been easy, mind you that. I went into debts. I went into huge debts. But by God's grace, I managed to pay everything off. And that's the main purpose of making this video. So I started learning my strategy from YouTube. I actually learned everything from YouTube that I was trading with from YouTube. No one taught me. I did it myself, learned everything. Find model that works for me. Find an edge. Then what did I do next? I don't have any capital. I have no money to start trading with. I just hopping on Twitter giveaways. That's where I won a particular equity edge account. I'll put the screenshots up here. I won that account, $10,000 account, a one-step account, and by God's grace, I passed the account and got a withdrawal, made a 14%, then get my split of 80%, which is $1,100, yes, which I used to pay off my debts. So this video is just like beginning of a new era, a new phase of my life. Then after clearing the debts, yes, I only have a little amount left with me to purchase a 5K account of mine. Then I purchased the 5K account, which I will start documenting here. It's just like a fresh start. I'm debt free now. I owe nobody. Mine is just wake up early morning, do my analysis, take trade, focus on myself. And any money I make now, I scale up. Yeah, trading has never been easy, and it will never be easy. But regardless, we keep pushing. So, what I'll be doing here, next phase of my life has started. I owe nobody, so I'll be growing with that 5K account, funded account, till wherever we see ourselves in the coming years. Yeah, we're gonna go far. Yes, trust me. So, if this is what you would like to be part of, come subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I drop amazing content. That is just it all. And if you tuned into this video, thank you so much. I love you guys. See you guys on my next episode. My next episode is gonna be weekly reviews of the trades I take. Sometimes I'll also be dropping setups live. If I'm trading live, I'm gonna be doing it here on YouTube sometimes. Yeah, and majorly during weekends, I'll be dropping weekly recaps of the trades I took. Yeah, so Thank you guys for watching. It's been amazing making this video for you guys. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you on my next video. Thanks.